Carlo Gambino, often regarded as one of the most notorious and influential figures in organized crime history, made his mark as the leader of the Gambino crime family. Operating between the 1950s and 1970s, Gambino perfected his modus operandi, establishing a tight-knit criminal organization and employing various techniques to expand his empire. This video delves into the key aspects of Carlo Gambino's modus operandi, shedding light on his rise to power and the methods he employed to sustain his criminal empire. Building influence and expanding territories. One notable aspect of Gambino's modus operandi was his ability to build strong alliances and expand his territories. Under his leadership, the Gambino crime family became one of the most powerful and extensive criminal organizations in the United States. Gambino forged strategic alliances with other crime families, such as the Genovese family, allowing them to collectively control lucrative criminal enterprises such as gambling, loan sharking, and drug trafficking, eliminating rivals and maintaining order. Another key element of Gambino's modus operandi was his ruthless approach to eliminating rivals and maintaining order within his organization. Gambino orchestrated violent hits on rival mobsters, using fear and intimidation to eliminate competition and solidify his control over various criminal activities. Maintaining internal discipline was crucial for Gambino, ensuring loyalty among his subordinates through a combination of financial incentives, strict hierarchies, and severe consequences for disloyalty or betrayal. High-level money laundering and financial manipulation. Gambino's criminal empire extended beyond traditional organized crime activities. He skillfully manipulated legitimate businesses, such as construction companies and restaurants, to hide and launder money earned through illegal enterprises. Gambino used fronts to mask the source of his wealth, making it difficult for law enforcement to trace the origins of his income. By exploiting weak points in financial systems and using shell companies, he successfully obscured the connection between his criminal activities and his wealth. Influence within law enforcement and public officials. To protect his criminal activities, Gambino maintained a network of corrupt individuals within law enforcement and public offices. Bribery and intimidation tactics were employed to ensure favorable outcomes for himself and his associates when facing legal hurdles. Through these alliances, Gambino effectively undermined law enforcement efforts to dismantle his organization, making him a highly elusive target for the authorities. Conclusion. Carlo Gambino's modus operandi was marked by strategic alliances, violent dominance over rivals, financial manipulation, and alliances with corrupt officials. His ability to build a vast criminal empire and maintain control over various illicit activities solidified his position as a formidable figure within the world of organized crime. As law enforcement agencies attempted to pursue his arrest, Gambino remained one step ahead, leaving behind a legacy that continues to fascinate both criminologists and the general public alike.